So YouTube's PZSU here. In this video I'm going to go ahead and do my initial review on the Cubesmith tiles. Now if you don't know what that is, if you're not a cuber and you just happen to come across this, tiles are basically an alternative to the stickers that come on cubes. So the stickers have a tendency to like wear out. They have a tendency to wear out, and you can replace them with either Cubesmith vinyl stickers, which are a lot stronger, or with Cubesmith tiles, which is the better of the two. So, I've got them on my 7x7 here, which is a white cube, which means that it has a black side. They do make a white or a black cube set, which has a white side instead of a black side. So it looks really nice with the tiles on it. It looks really, really cool, I think. So I'm going to give you a close-up of all the sides. You'll also notice it gives it a nice matte finish, and I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, but they are a little bit thick. You might be able to see right there. They do have a thickness to them. So there's that. There's the yellow. The yellow didn't go on there very good, but I had a hard time seeing it if it was. There's red. I've already showed you black, so I guess I'll show you green. Now here's the blue. There's orange. So they feel really nice. They give the cube a nice matte finish, as you can see. It really looks awesome with them on. They come in two different types. You can buy them in either smooth or textured. I have heard that the textured is very rough on fingers, so I would recommend the smooth myself, and I like the smooth. They're very nice. I like the finish that it gives them. So, yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and get into pros and cons. Or actually, before I get you into pros and cons, let me show you how they come. So I have a bag of some extra colors that I was going to try if I, wanted to try something a little different. I'll show you here this light blue tile. They come like this, and what you do, you basically punch them out. So you'll see how it sticks through there. You kind of punch them out, like on this green one, this light green one, that one of the tiles is falling off and one of the tiles fell off. But you basically punch them out like that, and then you peel off the backing and then you apply it. Now, for those of you people who haven't had to, who have used tiles and haven't had to buy them lately, something nice that I did not really expect is that I'll just have to show you through the bag. They come with there's Cubesmith includes V-Cube tiles now, as you can see right there. So that's a nice thing. If you like to have the branding on your cube, you can go ahead and apply that to your black side and have the V-Cube logo there. I thought that was pretty nice, but to be honest with you, when I had the original stickers on, the logo actually rubbed off. It actually wore off. And I actually really liked the way it looked when it was sterile, with no branding like that. So I decided just to keep it that way. Maybe one day, when I get the V-Cube collection eventually, which I'm not sure when that will be, but I will one day. If I do that, I will get I will put that on the new cube. We'll see though. We shall see how it all will work out. Let's see other pros. They are much sturdier than the stickers. They last longer than standard stickers do, which is nice. Yeah, and they feel really good. Right now they feel kind of sharp. I've heard that as you use them, I think like they wear out and kind of round. They get round on the edges, so I'm not sure, but if that happens, that'd be awesome, because then they really, feel super duper nice. Anything else I could really say about them, like, in terms of good? Yeah, they're made out of, what's it called? I think it's called Lexan. plastic, and it's apparently virtually indestructible. They're like, I wouldn't say it's bulletproof, but they're definitely very strong plastic. So, yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and get into some pros and cons. Or, we are in the pros and cons, never mind. Let's go and get into the cons then, because there are a few cons. Okay, first con I have to say, the blue. Now, I had already kind of wondered if this would be the case, but the blue and the black, they don't look it here, but they are quite similar. And I was doing a solve video earlier today, and I kept getting the blues and the blacks mixed up. But it seems to only happen over there in that particular lighting. When I'm solving it out and about, like in, say, you know, where there's better lighting than when I get in here, it's fine, completely fine. But that is my reasoning for picking up the different colors, like that light blue I showed you there, because I wanted to make sure I wanted to make sure that, you know, if I liked I don't know, it's weird. I strongly considered applying those, but to be honest with you, it would look really just in your face, kinda. I'm not sure I really would like it that much. It just seems too bright for the colors. For the particular colors that are on here. Now, another con that's very similar is the included orange. Now, this is something that I noticed right away would become an issue, and this is not the standard orange. This is light orange. And I'll actually show you standard orange right now. If I can, well actually, it's showing through there, but I want to take it out of here so I can show it to you better. Here's the standard orange. It looks pretty orange, doesn't it? Yes, it does, but it's also very red orange. It's orangey red. And as a result of that, I've noticed if I compare it to the red tiles, it does look kind of different on here, but I do have a laptop back here acting kind of as like a backlight, and you can see that it does still look quite similar. And if I flip it over to the orange, now this light orange is pretty much the identical to the orange stickers that were included on it. I mean, there's not a huge difference there, but if I go ahead and compare, let's get a bigger set of red, like that, you can see that there is a huge difference. You know? Actually, I should do it this way. You know, you can see that it looks just a lot better, and it's easier to distinguish the left side to the right side. So I like that particular color red better. So if you want to buy tiles, my recommendation to you would be to buy the set. So get the standard set, because I like all the other colors except blue is kinda iffy. But blue does seem to serve me fine, so, you know, for now at least. But get those, and also get the light orange. Not the, what's it called? Fluorescent orange. Don't buy that one. Buy light orange. So that's all you need to do. Just, again, just buy the set and light orange. And you should be fine. Just make sure you use light orange instead of standard orange, because standard orange to me just looks too much like red. And I am so happy I went with this one, because it just works better. I mean, you can just see that there. It looks so much better on there than the standard orange. So, yeah. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cut here. I do have a few other things to say, so I'll make a part 2. So, for some reason my iPod will not upload videos longer than 10 minutes to YouTube. So, I'm just going to cut here and make a part 2. So, see you in part 2.